Processing calls. This is the middle section of your telephone features quick reference guide. We're going to run through these features and talk about them real quick. To answer a call ringing at your phone, just lift the handset or press your answer release button. That will answer the call either on speakerphone or on headset if your phone's in headset mode. You can also answer a call ringing in another phone, and there's a couple of different ways to do that. First, if your phone has DS or direct station buttons on it, like this one does, you can just push the flashing DS button of a phone that is ringing. So here we have extension 215, Missy, ringing. If I just push her button while it's flashing, I will have intercepted the call that was ringing at her phone. If I don't have a DS button on my phone, I can use the ring pickup feature button, which is right up here, or I can dial the ring pickup feature access code. So once again, if extension 215 is ringing and I hear it ringing in the other room, I want to get that call, I can hit ring pickup 215 and intercept that call. Or if I didn't have a ring pickup button, I could have dialed the access code for ring pickup, which is 65. So I would have dialed 65215, and that would have intercepted that call as well. Putting a call on hold is self-explanatory. Exclusive hold is a different type of hold. You press the hold button twice, and that does two things. First, the call will stay on hold longer before it rings you back. And secondly, that call cannot be picked up by any other phone in the office except for mine, and that is the exclusive part of exclusive hold. To pick a call up off of hold is self-explanatory. Just press the flashing call button. You can also pick up a call that's on hold at another extension, and there are a number of different ways that this may be used. Maybe someone has put a call on hold for me at an extension and paged me. Maybe I made a call from the lunchroom or from a conference room, and I put the call on hold there, and then I want to come to my office and pick that call up. But in any case, if I've got a call that's on hold at another phone, and I want to pick that call up, what I do is I press my hold pickup button. Or if I don't have a hold pickup button, I can dial the hold pickup access code, which is 12. But I press hold pickup and I dial the extension number where that call is on hold at. So hold pickup, extension 3252.
If you know your party's extension,
and I just picked up a call that was on hold at extension 3252. Okay, so that's the hold pickup feature. And once again, when you press your hold pickup button, it tells you to enter the station number. To transfer a call, there's a couple of different ways to transfer, once again, with and without the DS button. If I've got a call and I wanted to transfer this call to extension 215, while I'm talking to this person, I can just press my DS 215 button and hang up and let that call transfer through to them. Or what I can also do is I can press transfer 215 if I don't have a DS button and transfer that call through to them. With the transfer, I can also press transfer and the extension number, and I can wait for that person to answer. Hello. And then I can tell the person about that call, and then when I hang up, once again, either by hanging up the handset or pushing my blue answer release button, now the caller is connected through to the party I transferred them to. So transferring is pretty easy. You can also cancel a transfer. Let's say I've got a call here, and I transfer this call and I accidentally transferred it to the wrong extension. Let's say I started to transfer this call to Missy and I meant to transfer it to Greg. I say, oh, that's the wrong person. I can just go back to the caller and then I could transfer them to someone else or do whatever I want with that call. So you can cancel a transfer just by pushing the call button again where the person was at. A unique feature of this system is I can put a call on hold at another extension. So once again, let's say that I'm in the conference room and I wanted to put a call on hold at my office extension. So while I'm talking to the person here, I tell them, hold on, let's finish this conversation in my office. And wait for this call to answer.
Hello, and thank you.
So what I do while I'm talking to that person is I press transfer, my extension, and then hold. And what that's done is that call was actually placed on hold at the extension I specified. So the call is no longer here, but if I were to go over to that other phone, I would see that a call is on hold there. I could also pick the call up again from this phone with the hold pickup feature. Hold pickup, 3252.
For our sales department.
And there's my call. Okay, so you can put a call on hold at another extension. You can also transfer calls through to busy extensions. It's the same process. Just hit transfer and the extension number. You'll hear a busy signal, but if you just hang up, the call will ring through to that person on their second or third call button as an additional call. The park feature is very handy. Park is usually used by a receptionist, and what she will do is she'll put the call on park 100, 101, 102, etc., and she will typically have buttons on her phone for all of those different parking spots. Think of them as visitor parking spots. When she puts a call on 100, anyone else in the office can pick up that call just by going to a phone and dialing 100. So if the receptionist has a call for someone who's away from their desk, she can put that call on park 100 or park 101, whatever the case may be. That person goes to their desk and goes to any phone and dials 100, and they've got that call, or whatever code the receptionist specified. But the park codes are usually 100 through 109. That's 10 guest parking spots. You can also park a call from any phone, and since you don't really know which parking spots are used, the way that you do that is you press transfer 10 star. So if I've got a call here and I wanted to put this call in one of the parking spots, what I do while I'm talking to this person is I press transfer 10, and then when I press star, it's going to tell me the last digit. That was 0. So that call was actually put on 100. If I have another call here and I park that call also with transfer 10 star, that call it filled in the last digit for me of 1. So there's a call parked on 100 and a call parked on 101. It still shows me the calls here on my phone, and if someone else in the office dialed 100 and picked up that first call, then that call would disappear, and then when someone dialed 101 and picked up that call, then I would see that that call was gone as well. So the calls will still show on your phone, so you'll be able to tell when someone has picked them up. And that is it for processing calls.